How to add custom variant products in Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can add custom variants in Shopify. Now, recently Shopify has made this a whole lot easier because in the past, whenever you wanted to build a custom variant, whether it was for color or for any other type of variation such as material or quantity, you actually had to update the metadata of your product. However, now you no longer have to follow that old approach. This has become a very simple technique into adding variants. So you can have your standard variant, and if you click on add another option, you have a custom option. So I'll show you guys how to do this step by step. The first step that we're going to be doing is going to be to create our product. So we're going to go into products on the left within our Shopify dashboard. Once you go into products on the left, you're going to click on add product on the top right. Once you click on add product on the top right, you are going to enter the title of your product. So this is going to be my liquid lip seal lipstick, like this. And then I'm going to add a description. Now, gone are the days where you had to pay someone to write the copyright for you, because now you can do it with the help of AI. So I'm not a writer myself, but I can click on generate text and I can just provide it with some of the features and keywords that are associated with my product, and I can use whichever tone I prefer to build my own type of description. So I want this to describe some of the basics of my product. So this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick that stays put up to, let's say, 9 hours with a excellent color payoff and moisturizing effect. And then you can click on the tone and you can pick out the tone that you want to be using. So let's say we want to be using a playful tone, and I'm just going to click on generate, and this will generate the description. I can ask it to generate again or alter it, but I'm just going to keep it as it is. And one more thing I like to recommend for most businesses is to actually add descriptions where you are specifying the ingredients as well. I found that I drive a lot more conversions when I am specifying ingredients. So that is something that can come in handy for you guys. Now, moving forward, we are going to upload the images. Now, from here, you're going to click on upload new, and you can upload all the variant images. So you can upload whichever variants you have. I recommend uploading them all together. I'm just going to click on add media, and I should have 2 variants of the same product like this. And I'll show you guys how we're going to complicate this a bit further. So let's say I have 2 of these liquid lipstick shades, but other than the colors, let's say I also have 2 different tubes. So one might be a 10 ml tube and the other might be a 15 ml tube. So let's say I offer a travel size and a regular size. So now I'm going to add the price, and you might say, hey, wouldn't the price alter? It would. So you can skip this if you want and directly move into variants, because if your price is varying by the variant, you will have to add this later on as well. You're going to click on add options, and I'm going to directly select color, and it has automatically detected the colors. I'm going to remove the colors that are added by default, and I'm going to search for new entry, and I'm just going to search for peach, orange, save, like this. And from here, I'm just going to click on done. This is like our standard variant, which is the color-based variant, as you guys can see. But I'm going to scroll down and click on add another option. You guys can see it is giving me 3 variant options, none of which are travel size options. So I'm going to click on create custom option, and this is going to be, my option name is going to be packaging or bottle, whatever you want, or size, let's say size, and this is going to be full size lipstick. I'm just going to make this a bit, explanatory so you guys can follow along. And then we have the travel size, and in the full size, I'm just going to mention 15 ml, and then travel size is 5 ml of product, and I'm just going to click on done. Once I've done that, if I scroll down, you guys can see the color variants have image options as well as the travel and full size. So I'm just going to be adding the red over here and then the peach over here. I don't have images for the travel size product. If you want, you can even further customize that as well. Now it's time to add the price. So for my full size lipsticks, let's say it's going to be $21 like this. And for the travel size, it's going to be, let's say it's going to be $6, and I'm just going to type in 6. Once you've added your custom variant and the custom pricing on the custom variant, you're going to go on ahead and enter the quantity you have. Let's say I have 100 units of each one of these variants like this, like so. Once I've done that, we have our basic product variants created, as well as the one custom variant. Now, if you click on add another option, you can create another customized option, such as maybe luxury packaging, gift packaging, if you're offering that option. So this can be packaging, and this is going to be gift wrapped, and either it's gift wrapped or regular. And I can click on done, and from here I can choose the extra add-on price, but this is not the offer that I actually want to add, so I'm just going to be discarding that particular variant from the top because I actually don't like that variant. So once I've done that, I can just click on save. And once I've clicked on save, I will show you guys what this looks like within your Shopify store. So you're going to click on online store on the left. We're going to preview our store. Once we preview our store, we are going to see our store over here. Going to our catalog, we have our lipstick. You guys can see just from the pricing, it says it starts from $6. So it's not displaying the regular price. It's going to display like the minimum price here. And once a customer clicks on the product, you guys can see it says full size lipstick or travel size, like so. And the price is automatically going to change. And then the color is going to change based upon the variant that is selected, like so. And that is how you can customize how you add your variants within your Shopify store. This is really easy and simple, and you can add multiple different variations in packaging, as well as product quantity, finish, whether it's a matte finish, glossy finish, or a abundance of product. So this can be applied for things such as products that have one active ingredient. So if you have allergens in your product, maybe you have a allergen-free version and a version which might have some type of allergen. You can have two different variants based on that as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.